Modern useful gadgets. Gadgets. Gadgets are small machines or devices which help us to do our daily tasks easier and faster. This device produces cool air and keeps the room cool. This is air conditioner. This device helps you in your work. This is a computer. This gadget is used for keeping the food and vegetables fresh and cool. This is refrigerator. This device can heat your food in just few seconds. This is microwave. This gadget helps you to wash your clothes and keep them clean. This is washing machine. This device shows you cartoons and movies on it. This is television. This device is used to grind spices and chutneys in it. This is mixer grinder. This gadget helps you to make a photocopy of your document or print them. This is printer. This gadget helps you to iron your clothes. This is electric iron.